Bombay High Court directs the collector to take steps to ensure demolition of 48 obstacles in the way of the approach surfaces of the runways of Mumbai's Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport. Compliance affidavit to be filed by August 19. And we are getting some breaking news from Mumbai. The Bombay High Court has directed the collector to take steps to ensure demolition of 48 obstacles in the way of the approach surfaces of the runways of Mumbai's Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport. And my colleague Abhishek is joining us live on the broadcast for more on this. Abhishek, if you could give us a little bit of more context as to why the Bombay High Court has really directed the collector to take steps to ensure the demolition of 48 obstacles in the way of the approach surfaces of the runways of Mumbai's Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport.
Definitely, it's an important topic if you want to understand that Mumbai International Authority has done a survey and found out that there are around 137 obstacles. And out of this, leaving this 48 aside, others are into litigation and some have abide by the DGCA guidelines. But what about these 48 obstacles? These 48 buildings or structures are termed as obstacles by the DGCA and the Mumbai International Airport Authority clearly are not either into litigation and they are clearly violating the guidelines of the DGCA and also not complying with the demolition notices which were issued. Now, Bombay High Court today clearly hit out at the collector of Mumbai telling that why are you shrugging yourself from your responsibilities? Because in an affidavit filed by the collector, it clearly said that it is a responsibility of the BMC to do the demolition drive. But Bombay High Court came heavily down on the collector and said that there is nowhere in the law that you cannot initiate action independently from your office. And please do the same immediately and file a compliance report by 9th of August. And the next date of hearing is 22nd of August. And for your viewers, this is a decision in the PIL, which was filed by an advocate, which clearly says that there are high-rise buildings as well as certain structures right near to the runway of Mumbai International Airport, which can cause risk for the aeroplanes which are flying and landing at that given point of time. So taking cognizance of that, Mumbai High Court today came heavily down on the collector and clearly instructed to demolish 48 obstacles, structures, and more prominently certain buildings in that particular area which has not complied by the DGCA rules. So definitely, it also went on to say that Mumbai Police as well as BMC help can be taken to do the same, but we have to comply by the orders that has been given today. So we will have to wait and watch what comes next, but for sure, on the 9th of August, a compliance report has to be submitted by the collector, and at the same time, the next hearing is on 22nd of August. Back to you.
Right, Abhishek, many thanks for putting that into perspective for our viewers.